In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer ownership of Wix website. To begin, sign into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the site you want to transfer. Make sure you are inside the correct website before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one site in the same account. The dashboard is where you will find the main settings and site management options, so this is the right place to start. Once you are in the site dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen and click Site. This menu contains several important actions related to your website. From that menu, select Transfer Site. This will open the transfer setup, where you can begin sending ownership of the website to another person. Next, enter the email address of the new owner. Be careful when typing this because the transfer invitation will be sent to that address. If the email is entered incorrectly, the intended recipient may not receive the transfer request. It is a good idea to double-check the address before continuing, so the process goes smoothly. After that, you will be asked to choose your transfer preferences. This part is important because it determines what moves with the website. You may see options related to the site plan, the domain, and your collaborator role. Review each of these carefully. Depending on your situation, you can decide whether those items should be included as part of the transfer. Taking a moment here can help avoid confusion later, especially if the new owner is taking full control of the site. When your preferences are set, click Continue. Wix will then show you a confirmation screen so you can review the details before finalizing the transfer. Read through everything carefully to make sure the recipient information and transfer settings are correct. If everything looks right, confirm the transfer. Once the transfer is submitted, the new owner will receive an email invitation from Wix. They must accept the transfer through that email within 3 days. If they do not accept it in time, the transfer may expire and you may need to start the process again. For that reason, it is helpful to let the recipient know to watch for the email and respond promptly. That covers everything you need to know.